Students, how are you? What are you doing during this lockdown? Do you study at your home? As you know that due to this corona disease, we can't get out of our houses. But it is for our safety. During this period, we are safe in our houses. But this is the opportunity for us to study. Okay. Today, we are going to see the question number 1 of our activity sheet. There are 6 sections and 7 questions in the activity sheet. Today, we see section number 1, that is language study. In Marathi, भाषा अभ्यास. In this section, question number 1 has 2 parts, A and B. Question number A, 1AB, question number A, 1, do as directed. In this question, we have asked 6 questions, but we have to write the answers of only 4 questions and we will get 8 marks. We can also write another 2 questions, question number 5 and 6 also. It is optional for us. In question number 1A1, we have to complete the words. A single letter of the word is dropped and we have to fill the particular letter in that particular word. We have asked 4 words to fill the letters. If we fill the letters correctly, we will get 2 marks, 1 mark each word. Second one is that put the following words in alphabetical order. In this question, we are asked 2 questions. First one is, there are the words with different beginning alphabet. And second one is that the words begin with same letter. If we correctly put the words in alphabetical order, we'll get 2 marks. Question number 3 is punctuate the following. To punctuate means विराम चिन्हे भरा. विराम चिन्हे तुम्हाला माहीत आहेत, as, full stop, comma, semicolon, question mark, single inverted comma, double inverted comma, etc. 2 sentences are given and we have to fill the particular punctuation marks and we have to complete the sentences. Question number 4, make 4 words minimum of 3 letters, meaningful letters. We have to make 4 meaningful words of from the big word. For example, comfortable. Through this word, we have to take out 3 letters and make a meaningful word. Fifth one is that write the related words as shown in the example. The example is given in the web. At the center of the web, there is a word and we have to write the related words to the word given in the center of the web. Question number 6 is to complete the word chain. That is, one word is given and using the last letter of the word, we have to make another word. In each word, last letter should be taken and make another word. If the first word is given word is noun, we have to make the nouns. If there is an adjective, we have to make the adjectives. If there is adverb, we have to make the adverbs. Question number 1, B1. Do as directed. The two questions are given and we have to solve one question. We will get 1 mark. First one is that attempt anyone from A or B. Make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase, given phrase. The phrase is given there. Using the phrase, we have to make a meaningful sentence. Or add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. We have given main clause or subordinate clause, and we have to add, if there is main clause given, we have to add subordinate clause, and if subordinate clause is given, we have to add main clause. Second one is that attempt anyone. If we solve 2 of them, we will get 1 mark because these are for options. A, add a prefix or suffix to make new words. Words are main words or root word is given there, and we have to add prefix or suffix. If we add prefix or suffix correctly, we will get 1 mark. Question number 1B, 2B. Make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following. The words in question B to A, the words given for writing prefix or suffix, those words are given below, and we have to use 1 word and make a meaningful sentence. While using the word, we should use the root word. Okay? Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay.